Hi everyone. Uh, I'm Shovan Adhikary, and today we are exploring its app called ARloopa, which one is a free version with Android phone or mobile. Uh, it's an augmented reality app. It's There's been making waves in education and entertainment. Whether you are new to AR or a seasoned tech enthusiastic around, this is one packed with surprises. You can see I can move my phone and you can see all those skull video. So the thing is, this is AR, so it's a ARloopa AR called. You can see on watermark as well, so you can understand very well. So today I want to talk about this. Hi everyone, I'm Shovan Adhikary, and today we are exploring app called ARloopa. ARloopa AR. It's a AR video. You can see. It's an augmented reality app. There's been making waves in education and entertainment technology. Whether you are new to AR or a seasoned tech enthusiastic around, this is one of the packed with surprises. So first thing, like, what's the AR and what's the VR? That one is the main thing. So let's start with the basic. AR is a augmented reality, like which one you are right now. Look, like right now you can see. It's enhance your real world view with digital overlays. Picture dinosaurs walking through your background or a virtual sofa in your living room. So there is another thing called VR, which one is a virtual reality. So this one is augmented reality, and there is another one which one called virtual reality. So virtual reality immerse you in a completely artificial world, like exploring Mars with an Oculus headset. So for the VR you need some different kind of headset, or maybe there is a Meta, there is some kind of devices you can buy or you can borrow. So this one basically is it's a AR video. ARloopa is AR focused and blending animation, 3D models, and even NFTs into your surroundings. Unlike VR, you stay connected to reality, just with a creative twist. Okay, just a creative twist. So how to use ARloopa? Here is a quick demo. You can see. So step 1, open the app and start the camera access, like grant the camera access, and then point your device into a flat surface. These decks work perfectly for me. Step 2, browse the 3D library. There is a whole bunch of library you can see if you open the app, and I choose this kind of a little bit video and rotating things, like you can see Jupiter, Venus, Mercury, and Earth as well, which one is showing the orbits and other stuffs. So but they got everything from planet to product demos as well. And step 3, tap the place the model. So which model you want, just need to tap. Use the gesture to resize or rotate it. Like you can make it a little bit small, or maybe the big, or you can see over my video as well. So this is the minimum size, because I'm using my phone for these kind of things. and check it how the T-Rex stomp and around my uh, around my objects, you can see. And the step 4 is active AR photo or video mode. So there is a 4 modes. This one is a video mode. I because my assignment support with the video mode, so I just make it on the video mode. And record, you can record while you talk, or maybe you can teach also, whatever you like. It's fully free. I film a mini movie of a UFO, and with my children as well. Uh, so the unique feature alert is it's a marker based AR. uh, you can mark it, and AR will continue with your marking. Print their custom marker. There is a custom marker as well, uh, uh, like QR code, so you can just keep the QR code as a marker, and then you can play object around of that. um, and watch 3D content pop up. I stuck one room on my fridge, and now a cartoon shapes appear every time when I scan it. And for businesses, AirLoopa is NFT integrated integration. Let's you showcase digital art in physical spaces. Imagine a gallery where paintings come alive when you point your phone. So what I love about the ARloopa, uh, it's a diverse content library, from educational anatomy models to a whimsical dragons. There is something for every project, so you can do so many project with ARloopa. There is a medical students helping things. There is engineering. Look this video. Okay, you can see it's a battery cell. So those kind of things is helpful for engineering. uh, it's a marker magic as well, I told before. So marker magic also, it's a very helpful. And you can use your QR code as a marker on the table over here, or like where the picture you can see right now. And uh, perfect perfect for classroom, I think. I used it to create AR treasure hunt for my kids a few days ago. There is a no code simplicity, which one is a very good feature. Like, you don't need to do any codings or anything. Just you can use as a same like a camera uses, because people are using camera a lot nowadays. So you can use like a camera and just focus on the point where you want to see, like where you want to pop up that content, and it will pop up automatically, like within a second. And it's a zero coding needed, I told you. Um, but I try a little bit different kind of things, but I fail. And also it's a cross platform, like I'm using Android right now, and the same kind of app is also available in iOS as well, because I saw there is a iOS app QR code as well. So the business, it's a very good kind of a business tools, I believe. It can use a local shop. uh, they can demo their products with that. Also, restaurant can use this kind of QR code, like you can use a QR code, and your food can pop up from there. And real food you can see when you sitting and waiting for the food on the table, in the restaurant, you can see also. So it's a very good kind of app, I believe. Also, I saw before IKEA, there is a lot of AR related video. The same kind of concept. Also, we can use restaurant. We can use for schools. We can use for any kind of shop. Okay, the small or big, whatever the shop. So it's a very business oriented app, I believe so. So there is some critics and improvement need this ARloopa, I believe so, because there is a limited free content, because so many content is a premium content. You have to pay for the subscription, and it's a but there is some free things, like you can see over here. It's a state of matter, like it's a three kind of uh, formation of liquid, like solid, and it's at the middle of the liquid, and then third is a gas. So if it is cool, that cooled form is same like a solid. If it is medium, then it's a liquid, and if it is hot, then it's a gaseous form is creating. So you can see over here, but those kind of things is free, but there is so many another high-end things as well, which one is it's not free. And there is some tracking glitches, I believe so, because sometimes when you click the, like on the things, like you draw some cross, like you want those videos over here, because sometimes he cannot detect that that cross mark or the QR mark very well. So it's a tracking glitch, and sometimes it's a float around, or it's a sometimes it's pop up some other places. You have to just drag it and come over the right place with your finger. So, and also there is a battery hog as well. It's if you like I'm using right now, and it's like a 15 minutes over I'm using, so it's almost drained 30% battery. So it's a I think it's a not ideal ideal for outdoor projects, because you need to lot of the time camera on, and if it is drain lot of battery, then you have to use your power pack or another powering device to power up your phone or the video cameras as well. So how to fix this, if I say how to fix this kind of problem, so better, I can discuss for the improvement as well. uh, Better add some free models, so many users can use it, or maybe the free model with some ads, like you can see the ads and little bit of the revenue generated from the ads, and after that so many premium content can show by that by the time. Okay, like suppose need some premium content, and people can see those premium content with some like seeing some ad as well, and then after 30 seconds you can see those premium contents or use the premium contents as well. So that's the way uh, be, keep the user engaged more and more. And there is a environmental improvement as well, like a tracking, like a better stability, so that they can track on the middle, like where that pointer it is. And also the power uses, so maybe need some changes with the codes or something, so that the power uses can be a little bit better. There's also a big impact. People who use the low end uh, low end devices, they can use as well, if it is a low power consuming. So there is a feature of ARloopa I want to talk. This app, I feel it's not just a fun; it's a gateway to AR potential. It's also for education. History students could walk through ancient Rome via AR Maker in textbook, or Brittle can try on clothes virtuality to see some furniture in your home or something. Also, it can be useful for tourism. It can scan a landmark to unlock AR tours, like watching a castle history and unfold on site. Is this good AR? Yes. It balances creativity with practicality. While not as polished as Adobe Aero, it's more accessible for casual users like me. Like, I'm not using a regularly, I just randomly use. um, like, as a recommendation, totally great for teachers, small businesses, or like newbies who try to explore something. Just keep charger handy. That's my recommendation. So, where you can find this app, you can download AirLoopa from http clone/airloopa.com as well. Also, you can see over Android App Store, or the Google App Store, or maybe the if you have iPhone, you can check the Apple Store as well. But I don't have Apple, so I don't know about that very much. uh, Explore their tutorials. There is a lot of tutorials for AirLoopa. You can see how you can use your classroom, businesses, or what's the way you can see. Okay, I can see, just I move my finger, and there is a moving so many things. Okay, also zoom in, zoom out, I told you before. So you can explore it. It's a very good for business and classroom as well, both way. And thanks for watching this video. If you have used AirLoopa, share your projects as well, so I can comment. Also smash that like button if you are like this video in YouTube. If you want to more AR or VR reviews, and you can subscribe also my channel if you want. Thank you for watching. Bye.